सो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई वेलकम यू वंस अगेन टू दिस चैनल। दोस्तों, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि फटाफट रैपिड फायर का जो सीरीज चल रहा है, हिस्ट्री आज कंप्लीट हो जानी है। हिस्ट्री को अब सिर्फ बचा क्या है, हिस्ट्री में सिर्फ और सिर्फ मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री बचा है, जिसे वन लाइनर फॉर्म में फटाफट जो है कवर करेंगे। एक कह सकते हैं कि रिवीजन पर्सपेक्टिव से बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाएगा आपके लिए। स्टार्ट होगा मॉडर्न का रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 से, और एक ही वीडियो बनेगी और पूरा कंप्लीट करके दे दिया जाएगा आपको। और ऐसे ही लगातार वीडियोस देखते रहना चाहते हैं जहाँ पे क्विकली आपको चीज़ें मिल रही हैं और एफर्टलेस मिल रही हैं, तो डेफिनेटली इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857, पहला कहता है कि द लीडर ऑफ 1857 रिवोल्ट इन रामगढ़ स्टेट वाज अवंती बाई लोधी। लोग तो सब जानते हैं कि भाई बिहार में कुंवर सिंह, रानी लक्ष्मीबाई झांसी में, नाना साहेब कानपुर में, लेकिन अवंती बाई लोधी को कौन जानता है? तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन पूछ लिए जाते हैं। ठीक है, ये लीडर थे 1857 में रामगढ़ स्टेट के। मंगल पांडे बिलोंग टू ब्रिटिश आर्मी रेजिमेंट नेम्ड 34th बंगाल नेटिव इन्फेंट्री, जो कि बैरकपुर में लोकेटेड थी उस समय। बहादुर शाह जफर वाज इम्प्रिजन्ड इन रंगून जेल, रंगून जेल में रखा गया था विच इज इन बर्मा, और ये भेजा गया था, इनको डिपोर्ट कर दिया गया था जब अंग्रेज रिकैप्चर कर रहे थे अपने लॉस्ट टेरिटरीज को। तो इनको समझ में आया कि भाई बहादुर शाह जफर की वजह से दोबारा कहीं रिवोल्ट हो सकता है, फिर से लीडर चुन लिया जाएगा ये, तो इसको डिपोर्ट करो, और बर्मा रंगून में डिपोर्ट कर दिया था। द इंडियन रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 स्टार्टेड ऑन मई 10, 1857, मेरठ से स्टार्ट हुआ था। द इंडियन रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 इंडेड इन ग्वालियर ऑन जून 20 को, ये ग्वालियर में खत्म हुआ था 1858 में। द पॉलिसी ऑफ पैरामाउंसी वाज इनिशिएटेड बाय लॉर्ड हेस्टिंग ने इनिशिएट किया था। पॉलिसी ऑफ पैरामाउंसी की, ब्रिटेन जो है पैरामाउंट है, ये कहा था इसने। द एनेक्सेशन ऑफ अवध बाय ब्रिटिश ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी अकर्ड इन 1856, और ये माल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, मिस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के नाम पे छीन लिया गया था एक तरीके से। बहुत लोग दुखी हुए थे वहां पे। ए हेवी लार्ज कैलिबर स्मूथ बोर गन फॉर इन्फेंट्री सोल्जर्स इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन 16th century was musket, इसका नाम था मस्केट। रानी लक्ष्मीबाई डाइड फाइटिंग विद द ब्रिटिश कॉलोनियल रूलर्स, किस डेट को? 18 जून को। कहाँ पे? तो ग्वालियर में। द सीज ऑफ फोर्ट्रेस ऑफ झांसी इन 1858 वाज लेड बाय सर जनरल ह्यूज रो, और उसने कहा था कि इकलौता मर्द कोई लड़ा है तो वो रानी लक्ष्मीबाई थी, और बहुत ब्रेवली लड़ा है, ट्रिब्यूट पे किया था इसने। The Mughal ruler at the time of revolt of 1857 was बहादुर शाह जफर, और बहादुर शाह द्वितीय भी कहा जाता है इसको। ठीक है, बहादुर शाह जफर कह लो, बहादुर शाह द्वितीय कह लो, एक ही बात होगा। The leader of फैजाबाद during the 1857 revolt was मौलवी अहमदुल्ला। The governor general of India during the 1857 revolt was Lord Canning. During the days of revolt of 1857, मौलवी अहमदुल्ला शाह was known as डंका शाह। इसको क्या कहा गया? डंका शाह कहा गया। In Bihar, the revolt of 1857 was led by कुंवर सिंह। The governor general of India during the revolt of 1857 was Lord Canning. रानी लक्ष्मीबाई died in ग्वालियर। कहाँ पे देहांत हुआ? तो ग्वालियर में। The tribal leader सीताराम कंवर was and रघुनाथ सिंह मंडलोई Bhilala joined the anti-British revolution in the year 1857. Mangal Pandey was hanged in 1857 for attacking the British officer बैरकपुर में। The third Anglo-Mysore war, जो कि 1790 से 92 में होता है, it was fought between mighty British and टीपू सुल्तान, जिसमें लॉस तो हुआ था टीपू सुल्तान को काफी, लेकिन पूरी तरीके से हारे नहीं थे। मंगल पांडे बिलोंग टू 34th बंगाल नेटिव इन्फेंट्री, बैरकपुर। द रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम मेरठ। कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ था? मेरठ से स्टार्ट हुआ था। बहादुर शाह जफर एंड हिज सन वेयर अरेस्टेड बाय ब्रिटिश ऑफिशियल फ्रॉम हुमायूं टम। कहाँ से? हुमायूं टम से इनको अरेस्ट किया गया था। बेगम हजरत महल लीड द रिवेलियन ऑफ 1857 फ्रॉम लखनऊ। कहाँ से? लखनऊ से। तांतिया तोपे, जिसे हम रामचंद्र पांडुरंग के नाम से भी जानते हैं, ही वाज किल्ड इन 1859। तांतिया तोपे लेड द रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 फ्रॉम कानपुर। ही वाज द जनरल ऑफ, कह सकते हैं कि नाना साहेब के जनरल, उनको हेल्प किया था इन्होंने। इन 1857 द ब्रिटिश सफर्ड डिफीट इन द बैटल ऑफ चिन्हत। बैटल ऑफ चिन्हत में हारे थे। नाना साहिब रिबेल एट कानपुर वाज द सन ऑफ पेशवा बाजीराव द्वितीय, और ये मांग रहे थे कि पेशवा मुझे बना दो, नहीं दिया था ब्रिटिशर्स ने। वीर कुंवर सिंह led the revolt of 1857 in Bihar. Khan Bahadur led the revolt in 1857 from Bareilly. Khan Bahadur. A Mughal ruler who contributed to revolt of 1857 was बहादुर शाह द्वितीय. In turn इनको बहादुर शाह जफर भी कहा जाता है. Bahadur Shah Dwitiya was sent into exile in Burma after the revolt of 1857. The sepoys of Meerut arrived at the gates of Red Fort on 11th May 1857 to meet Bahadur Shah. Mangal Pandey killed two British officials, जिसका नाम है Hugation and Bogg, on March 29, 1857 को मार दिया था. Mangal Pandey was hanged on April 8, 1857. क्वीन विक्टोरिया प्रोक्लेमेशन जो है विच मार्क द बिगिनिंग ऑफ ब्रिटिश क्राउन्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन इन इंडिया वाज मेड ऑन नवंबर 1 1858. द रिवोल्ट इन द कंट्री साइड ऑफ बॉम्बे डेक्कन अकर्ड इन 1875. सिद्धू मांझी was the leader of Santhal rebellion. In the revolt of 1857, Shah Mal rebelled at the Baraut in Uttar Pradesh and was killed in battle in the July 1857. The painting in memoriam dedicated to British women in India during the revolt of 1857 was painted by Joseph Newell Patton. और उसमें इनको ना दिखाया गया है कि मतलब ब्रिटिश वुमेन को दिखाया गया कि इनको अटैक कर रहे हैं सिपाही और इनको लूट रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं, ये सब गलत सलत फोटो दिखाया गया है. The revolt of 1857 was finally suppressed by British in 1859. The infield rifles, which become the immediate reason for 1857 revolt, were introduced by Henry Harding, जिसका जो मेन उसका दिक्कत था, जो कार्ट्रिज था उसको काट के डालना पड़ता था, जो माना जाता था कि काऊ और पिग की चर्बी से बना है. नर्सरी ऑफ बंगाल आर्मी वाज कॉल्ड अवध. During the Santhal rebellion and 1857 revolt, the British were helped by Maharaja Mehtab Chand. Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi was killed in battle in the year 1858. The revolt of 1857 was called neither first nor national nor war of independence. ये किसने कहा था? ये आरसी मजुमदार ने कहा था. The Mughal emperor deported to Rangoon by British was बहादुर शाह जफर. अब आ जाएंगे हम गवर्नर्स एंड वाइसराय के ऊपर. द वर्नाकुलर प्रेस एक्ट 1878 वाला ये रिपील किया था लॉर्ड रिपन ने, लाया था लॉर्ड लिटन ने. याद रखिएगा, लाया था लिटन ने और रिपील कर दिया था रिपन. रिपन एक अच्छा शासक था. द डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय लॉर्ड डलहौजी. डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स का मतलब था कि किसी भी राजा या किंगडम में अगर उसका ओन खून जो है सन नहीं है तो डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स माना जाएगा. द डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स वाज विथड्रॉन बाय लॉर्ड कैनिंग. द मुगल एम्पेयर अपॉइंटेड बाय द कंपनी एज दीवान ऑफ द प्रोविंसेस ऑफ बंगाल इन 1765. दीवान स्टार्ट कर दिया गया था, दीवानी राइट मिल गई थी बंगाल की कंपनी को बैटल ऑफ बक्सर के बाद. महाराजा चैत सिंह ऑफ बनारस वाज अरेस्टेड बाय वारेन हेस्टिंग इन 1781. Robert Clive came to India in the year 1743. The title of Keshare Hind जो है it was given to Queen Victoria in the Delhi Darbar by Lord Lytton. Lord Cornwallis was Governor General of Bengal from 1786 to 1793. Permanent settlement and civil services in India were introduced by Lord Cornwallis. The Hunter Commission of 1882 was appointed by Lord Ripon. Lord Linlithgow made the declaration known as August Offer in 1940. The first Governor General of Bengal was Warren Hastings. The Governor General of Bengal was made the Governor General of India by Charter Act of 1833. The Governor General of India at the time of the First World War was Lord Harding Dwitiya. A code providing for the separation of revenue administration from judicial administration was introduced by Lord Cornwallis. The title of Viceroy was first given to Governor General of India in 1858. The Governor General of India during the First Anglo-Sikh War 1845 to 46 was Lord Harding. The father of local self-government in India is Lord Ripon 1880 to 1884. The first Viceroy to officially shift his council to Simla during the summer season was John Lawrence. The Indian Agriculture Service was started by Lord Minto II. The Governor General who was impeached by British Parliament was Warren Hastings. The Viceroy of India at the time of Gandhiji Dandi March was Lord Irwin. The Ilbert Bill controversy 1823 में जो लाई गई थी, it was proposed during the tenure of Lord Ripon. The Vernacular Press Act was enacted by Lord Lytton. The Vernacular Press Act was repealed by Lord Ripon. ये हमने पहले भी देखा था. Lord Mayo's resolution of 1870 was attempted to rectify existing disparity. The first step that bifurcated central and provincial finances was Lord Mayo's resolution of 1870. The system of Mahalwadi settlement in Bengal was introduced by Holt Mackenzie. The first British governor of Bihar was Sir James David Sifton. Sindh was conquered and annexed by Napier. The viceroy who followed an aggressive policy towards Afghanistan was Lord Lytton. The first Governor General of India was William Bentinck. Awadh as a cherry was described by Governor General Lord Dalhousie. The last Governor General of British India was Lord Mountbatten. Warren Hastings was the Governor General of from 1773 to 1785. The permanent settlement was introduced in 1793 during the tenure of Governor General of Bengal Charles Cornwallis. In 1809, Maharaja Ranjit Singh signed the Amritsar Treaty with Charles T. Metcalfe. A History of British India is a work published by James Mill. In 1801, Subsidiary Alliance Treaty was imposed on Awadh. The English Education Act introduced in 1835 was based on Macaulay Minute. The Vernacular Press Act of 1878 was repealed by Lord Ripon. In 1856, Governor General decided that Bahadur Shah Jafar would be the last Mughal king. This decision was taken by Lord Canning, जिसका पीरियड 1856 से 1862 था. During the information of Indian National Congress, formation of 1885, Viceroy कौन था? तो Lord Dufferin था. The first step to separate provincial finance from central finance was taken by Lord Mayo. Viceroy Lord Mayo introduced financial decentralization in India in 1870. The father of civil services in India is Lord Cornwallis. The Daroga system replacing Jamindari Thanedars was introduced by Lord Cornwallis. Robert Clive came to Madras from England at the age of 18 in 1743. East India Company appointed residents in Indian states after the Battle of Buxar 1784. Richard Wellesley was the Governor General of India from 1798 to 1805. The infamous Crawling Order was issued by General Dyer. The Viceroy of India during the Bengal famine of 1943 was Lord Linlithgow. The first medical college in India was established during the period of Lord William Bentinck. The Viceroy of British India when the Rowlatt Act was passed was Lord Chelmsford. The father of local self-government in India is Lord Ripon, 1880 से 1884. The last Viceroy in India was Lord Mountbatten. Lord Dalhousie was Governor General of India during 1848 से 1856. The announcement of transfer of power to Indians by June 1940 was made by Clement Attlee, the then PM of British Empire, British government. The kingdom of Awadh as a cherry that will drop into our mouth one day was described by Lord Dalhousie. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place during the term of Viceroy Lord Chelmsford. The Royal Commission on Civil Services was formed in 1912 during the Viceroyalty of Lord Harding. The Madras Presidency was formed during the tenure of Lord Wellesley. Lord Wellesley built a massive palace, government house for himself in Calcutta. The last Governor General and first Viceroy of India was Lord Canning. The policy of paramountcy was initiated under the Governor Generalship of Lord Harding. The Viceroy of British India at the time India became independent in 1947 was Lord Mountbatten. The father of civil services in India is Charles Cornwallis. In 1939, the Viceroy of India who announced that India had entered the war along with Britain was Lord Linlithgow. बट भारत जो है, भारत के बिना मतलब लीडर से पूछे इसने घोषित कर दिया था वर्ल्ड वार 2 में शामिल करने की बात. द स्टैटिस्टिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय लॉर्ड मायो. द परमानेंट सेटलमेंट ऑफ बंगाल इन 1793 वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड अंडर द वायसराय चार्ल्स कर्नवालिस, परमानेंट सेटलमेंट जमींदारी सिस्टम। द फादर ऑफ कॉमनल इलेक्टोरेट, मॉर्ले मिंटो रिफॉर्म याद करो 1909, तो लॉर्ड मिंटो है उस समय वायसराय था। वर्नाकुलर प्रेस एक्ट इन इंडिया वाज इंट्रोड्यूस बाय लॉर्ड लिटन, और इसको खत्म किया था लॉर्ड रिपन ने। द ऑफिस ऑफ गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिया वाज क्रिएटेड बाय चार्टर एक्ट ऑफ 1833, और पहले बन गए थे उस समय लॉर्ड विलियम बेंटिक। To form the interim government in India in 1946, Lord Wavell invited Jawaharlal Nehru. The last Governor General of India from 1948 to 1950 was C. Rajagopalachari. The liberator of Indian press was called Charles Metcalfe. Lord Curzon was appointed as Viceroy of India in 1899. The permanent settlement system in 1793 was introduced by Lord Cornwallis. The law against the sati practice in December 1829 was enacted by Lord William Bentinck. The Vernacular Press Act in 1878 was introduced by Lord Lytton. The Governor General of India during the first Anglo-Afghan War was Lord Auckland. चार्ल्स वुड का डिस्पैच जो आया था 1854 में, दिस वाज रिलेटेड टू एजुकेशन सेक्टर। The first railway line 1853 in India was introduced by Governor General Lord Dalhousie. The Governor General of the permanent settlement of Bengal was Lord Cornwallis of 1793. The first Governor General of Bengal who brought an end to dual government system by enforcing the Regulating Act of 1773 was Warren Hastings. The doctrine of lapse in India was introduced by Governor General Lord Dalhousie. The Viceroy of India at the time of India's independence was Lord Mountbatten. The incorporation of English as the official language for higher education in India was done by Macaulay. The Vernacular Press Act was enacted during the regime of Lord Lytton. The Tripartite Treaty for British interference in Afghanistan was signed by Lord Auckland. The father of civil services in India is Lord Cornwallis. Lord Cornwallis. The Fraser Commission was appointed to investigate police administration by Lord Curzon. Warren Hastings was accused of committing the judicial murder of Raja Nand Kumar. The Governor General during the Anglo-Nepal War was Lord Hastings. Lord Dalhousie annexed the Punjab into British India in 1849. Lord Dalhousie annexed the Punjab into British India as a result of Second Anglo-Sikh War, जिसमें हार गए थे सिख. During the trial for the Meerut conspiracy, the Viceroy of India was Lord Irwin. The doctrine of subsidiary alliance was introduced by Lord Wellesley. General Dyer was responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre. इसी ने बोला था चला दो गोली. The Raiyatwadi system was devised during British rule in India by Alexander Reed. The Zamindari system was introduced during the British rule in India by Lord Cornwallis. Colin Mackenzie was appointed as the first Surveyor General of India in 1815. The British Governor General who appointed the policy of paramountcy was Lord Hastings. The first state to be annexed under the doctrine of lapse was Satara in 1848. The number of presidencies during the time of Warren Hastings in India was total 3: Bengal, Madras, and Bombay. Lord Ripon was appointed as a Viceroy of India in 1880. Bahadur Shah Jafar would be the last Mughal king after his death was declared by Governor General Canning. The Governor General related to abolition of Thuggy was Lord William Bentinck. The Governor General of Bengal during the first Anglo-Maratha War was Warren Hastings. The last Viceroy of India was Lord Mountbatten. The first Governor General of India after independence was Lord Mountbatten. The first Indian Governor General of independent India was C. Rajagopalachari. The Viceroy of India at the time of Kakori conspiracy was Lord Whiting. The Viceroy of India during the Dandi March was Lord Irwin. The bifurcation of British Empire into secular India and Islamic Pakistan was announced by Lord Mountbatten. C.P. Elbert was a law member of council under the Viceroyalty of Lord Ripon. The Governor of Bengal Province of India during 1819-1827 was Elphinstone. The administrative code to separate revenue administration from judicial administration was designed by Lord Cornwallis. Keen interest in the restoration and protection of historical monuments was taken by Lord Curzon. The Ancient Monuments Preservation Act was passed in 1904 under the Viceroyalty of Lord Curzon. The resolution on local self-government for political education was brought by Lord Ripon. Lord Ripon. The father of local self-government is Lord Ripon. Lord Ripon. The first viceroy of India was Lord Canning. The policy of dual system of Bengal government was brainchild of the Governor General of Lord Clive. The practice of sati was outlawed by Governor General of Bengal William Bentinck. अब आ जाएगा British Act and Policies.